What's going on YouTube world? Austin Lewis here coming to you guys yet again with another YouTube video. And as you guys saw in the title and in the thumbnail, I am your next Forex trader, Wolf of Wall Street stud. Just kidding, guys. I literally got started into Forex probably a week ago. I'm going to share with you guys on how I was actually able to earn a little over $10,000 in literally 3 days. Now, what I'm going to share with you guys is not how I actually made the $10,000, but what I actually used to make the $10,000 and what you guys could potentially have the opportunity to do as well. For those of you that are brand new watching this video, I am not a Forex trader. I've never done Forex. In fact, I don't know a whole lot about Forex, but what I do know is there's a lot of people that know Forex, know the game of trading, that take massive trades and make massive amounts of profits. And that is what has really introduced me to the market of, wow, you can actually follow other people's trades, make money off their trades, and then take the same trades they take and profit every single time that individual takes a trade. Before we jump into this video and I share with you guys my testimonial, my story, and how I was able to earn over $10,000 in literally 3 days, if you guys are brand new here, make sure and come subscribe, come check out some of my other YouTube videos. And if you guys are still watching this right now, make sure and do me a favor and smash that thumbs up button, because smashing that thumbs up button helps the YouTube algorithm, and I know YouTube would certainly appreciate it, and as would I certainly appreciate it. And if you guys would, make sure and drop in the comment section down below. I certainly appreciate each and every single one of you guys. I hope I can bring you guys the most valuable information in this video on how you guys can actually go out there and earn tens of thousands of dollars utilizing the foreign exchange market. Now, to jump right into the video, guys, I had a good friend. His name is actually Ryan, and I've been watching Ryan, some of you might be very similar, actually taking massive amounts of trades utilizing the platform of US 30. So US 30 is specifically what he trades. He doesn't trade anything other than US 30. Now, obviously, if you guys have absolutely no idea about Forex, go watch some other YouTube videos on what Forex is. Forex is just a foreign exchange market where you're able to trade currencies and so forth. The Forex market is like I want to say $6 or $7 trillion a day market. So a lot of you guys are like, man, Austin, $10,000 in 3 days. Well, yeah, that was simple. And the reason it was simple is because it's a $7 trillion platform. So $10,000 is very measly. It's very little to nothing in terms of what these other individuals are earning while trading. My advice to those of you that are wanting to get into Forex and are wanting to actually trade, just be very mindful of who it is that you are following. I always follow people, whether that's on Instagram or Facebook or literally any platform. Purchase people's trades, watch their trades, see how many times that they actually go in profit, see how much losses, and I will do this, and I will do my extensive research for well over 6 months. If these individuals do profit in what it is that I am looking to take trades in, then guess what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen? I'm going ahead and most likely going to be purchasing their trades. I'm going to be following their trades. Now, some of you guys might say, Austin, okay, I know a lot of other Forex people that are in the market that offer, their signals and their trades, but it's $180 a month for that. And ladies and gentlemen, it takes money to make money. Just understand that $180 a month may seem like a lot to you right now, but when you are taking their trades, and that's why they do this for a reason. If you are taking their trades, that is essentially profiting, then that technically is paying for that app or that signal or those signals or those trades that they take on a monthly basis, ladies and gentlemen. So not only are you paying $180 for these individuals, but their goal is to have you follow their trades so that way you make more money so that you can continue to pay for their app or pay for their signals or pay for their trades. One of the most powerful things out there is what I had just said, because if you think about it, if you paid $180 a month for somebody's app that was teaching you and showing you exactly their trades, exactly their signals that they were taking, and it wasn't profiting, do you think that they would have a $180 a month platform anymore? Absolutely not. It would be obsolete, right? It would be extinct, because they're not making other people money. Therefore, they're gonna lose that $180 a month. So I'm watching my guy Ryan here. He's an absolute stud. He's trading US 30. If you guys don't know him, here's his Instagram right here. And within 3 days of just following his simple trades, now again, his app is $175 a month. I paid the $175 a month. I've been doing that for quite some time. I have other people that are in the sphere of trading on Forex that are like, man, I have been in this app, the Prosperity app, for well over 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, and it is absolutely crushing it for me. Austin, it's worth $175 a month. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is the opportunity I think each and every single one of you guys have at hand. Obviously, you have to familiarize yourself with what Forex is. I don't get involved, or I wouldn't recommend getting involved in Forex if you were just here to make some money. I would only get involved in Forex if it was something that you could be passionate about. It is a very addictive industry because, again, you can have profits go from $0 to $10,000 in 3 days, but you also got to remember the risk that is also available, and that's having that $10,000 be a negative $10,000. All I wanted to come to you guys in this video and say is take a look at that. This is my experience of trading Forex, and again, I don't know really anything about pips. I don't know anything about the Forex market. I just know it's a very large market. I know that there's people out there that are absolutely crushing it, like Ryan, like other individuals, like Anthony Williams. In these people that I want to follow their trades because their trades are incredible and they profit off of them majority of the times, and off of that, I'm interested in getting in double dipping into that market as well. So if you guys have got some sort of value, or if you guys have any questions for me, definitely email me in the description link below. Or if you guys have any questions whatsoever as well, make sure and drop in the comment section. If you guys are brand new here, make sure and smash the thumbs up button. Make sure and come subscribe if you guys are brand new here. Stay up to date. Turn on the notification bell so you guys get updated for all of my future videos. I thank you guys so much for watching the very end of this video. Austin Lewis here, saying we'll see you guys in some future YouTube videos.